Greetings.
I hope you had a pleasant day so far.
We are from Magic Palm School in Vientiane, Laos. I am Kamrun Thomagon.
I am Jatapan.
And I am Navin Chala. We are here today to present to you our project called Gas Detector. This innovation is called the gas detector. As it works, once the device detects gas leakage inside a house or a car. As additional function, it can also send a notification to the person who had access to it in it.
If a place is receiving too much gas that might cause danger, our device will automatically send message to the firefighter, including the location. This can prevent higher risk of damaging and possible life-threatening situation.
On top of that, we innovated this project because we want to provide a safe environment that is stress-free from thinking about possible occurrence of a fire caused by gas leak.